Hi guys, I hope you all doing well. I am going to unboxing the sketchbook. If anyone wants to buy, I will give a link in the description. Let's open it and see how is the quality. So here you can see it is A4 size. And paper quality is also good. Let's draw something. I am going to draw an eye, nose, and also lips for paper testing. For blending, I am using blending stump and also tissue with blending very well, as you can see. Eye looking so beautiful, even I didn't expect that much. Paper quality is really good. I am so satisfied. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and like, comment.